What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bree, and if this is not your first time clicking on one of my videos, I'm gonna go ahead and ask you, sis, why you not subscribed to my channel? Why you hadn't clicked that red subscribe button down below? You know you want to. You know you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell and keep up with your girl. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you want the videos to keep on coming. If you want the thick girl try on hauls, the swimsuit hauls, click that subscribe button down below and your girl ain't going nowhere. Go ahead and become an OG like the rest of my subscribers. So today, guys, we're going to be talking about eyebrows. And yes, I know I already posted an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, but guess what? Today, I'm going to show you the real. I'm going to show you how I cut my eyebrows, how I pluck them, how I arch them, because you know what? I don't go to anybody to get my eyebrows waxed. I know they say that's the best way to do your eyebrows, but I just don't trust anybody else with my eyebrows. My eyebrows to me are like my baby, my child. Like, my eyebrows are sacred to me and I don't trust anybody else with them, so I do them myself. Plus it saves you a little coinage. So if you guys want to see how I slay these bushy eyebrows, I want you to continue watching. And before you go, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. All right, y'all, so now that you guys are all up in my personal space, seeing all my open pores, my big pores, and my wrinkles. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I do to my eyebrows first. So the first thing I like to do is brush them upward to see how long they have gotten. My eyebrows tend to get weirdly or oddly long. Nobody come for my lashes because I've had them on all day and I know they're going to come off, so don't talk about me. Okay, so now I'm going to take my scissors or my shears. I know they're kind of big, but these are the ones I like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and take these, and all I'm going to do is just cut off the excess hairs there at the top. That's the first thing I like to do, just to get that out the way. My hairs just get too long. If you guys' eyebrow hairs grows this long, you know what I'm talking about. So that's the first thing I do, is just cut that excess off. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and take my brush again, or my spoolie again, and brush them out again just to make sure I didn't miss anything. My favorite product to use on my eyebrows is this. Now, nobody come for me. I know they say this is not good for your skin, but I have literally been using this since I was in high school. So I've been using this for like 12 years. So this is what I use to carve out my eyebrows. So this is my second step. I'm going to go in with my face cream nair. Notice I'm not using the regular body cream nair. I'm using the face cream nair. And I'm going to pick up a Q-tip. And I'm just going to coat the Q-tip like that much. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's focus. All right, so I'm going to put just a little bit on the Q-tip. And then I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my eyebrows the way I want them to look. So everything that's grown in under here, I'm just gonna carve that out and it'll disappear. Let me show you. Perfect. Guys, I just want to say that everything is not going to be perfect. But remember, we are going to fill our eyebrows after this, so we're going to make it perfect, okay, sis? So then, I don't have a lot of hair that grows on top of this part of my eyebrow, but it does grow a lot here, like between my baby hair and my eyebrow. If I don't do anything to that, y'all, it will legit connect. So, I just go ahead and put a little on the top. Okay, guys, so the next thing I go ahead and do is fix my unibrow. You might not be able to see it, but I do have a unibrow. And if I don't correct it, I have one eyebrow. So while I'm doing this, guys, I keep in mind that your eyebrows should start right here where the crease of your eye begins, and it should stop somewhere here where your eye ends. And the arch should be somewhere toward the middle of your eye. So I let this sit for about 10 minutes. I believe the directions say don't let it exceed 10 minutes. I go ahead and go the maximum of 10 minutes. So it's like I said, I have been doing this for a long time, a lot of years. So I pretty much know how long to keep it on. But if you're gonna do this, and I'm not a professional, but I know if you're gonna do this, I would recommend you test a little bit of your skin just to see how much your skin can take. Your skin may be too sensitive for this, even though this is a facial hair remover, your face may be too sensitive for it. So I would recommend that you test a small amount just to see what happens on your skin. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. I might do my mustache. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I did end up go ahead and doing my mustache area. I did the same thing. I just covered from, I didn't put it on my lip, but like on the edge of my lip to here. Freaking phone. But from on the edge of my lip to up here, I went ahead and covered that, and and it's been about 10 minutes, and I went ahead and wiped that off first because I find that my lip area is more sensitive than my eyebrows, so I took that part off first. And now I'm going to show you guys how I go ahead and take off the eyebrow nair, or the nair off my eyebrow. So I use some tissue first. That's the first thing I do, is grab my tissue, and I go ahead and start from this side of my eyebrow and wipe. I don't know if you're going to be able to, but that is hair, guys. That's hair. No, it's gross. So that's the first thing I do, is wipe the nair off with some tissue. And you don't want to wipe too hard, but you want to wipe hard enough to make sure you get it all off of your skin, because if you don't, it is going to burn you. Then I'm going to follow up with a washcloth, and because I didn't do that yet on my mustache area, I'm going to go ahead and wipe that. Alright, guys, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wash my face. So if you guys don't know my skincare routine, I do have a video already on my channel. I'll link that up above so you guys can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and go wash my face off camera, and I'm going to come back to you guys and show you what I do next. Okay, now that my face is clean, the next thing I'm going to do is pluck. So I know you guys are like, okay, girl, you got a whole bunch of steps, but it's just what I like to do, honey. It's just what I like to do. We are going to brush our eyebrows nice and flat. Make sure they look nice. Go in with some good tweezers. And any spot, any little hairs up down here that the nair missed, we're going to go ahead and pluck that out. For the most part, it gets all of it. But every now and then, or most times, there's going to be a few hair that the nair did miss. So alright, guys, so now that we are done plucking, I can go ahead and put a little moisture on my eye, back into my eyebrows, after all that brushing and plucking, they are not moisturized. So now I'm done with the hard part. I'm done plucking, I'm done nairing, I'm done cutting, all that. I'm done with all that with my eyebrows. I got them to the shape that I want. Now is the, ooh, that one looks really good. Not sure. Yeah, that one looks really good. This one can be fixed. So I'm done with all that part. So the next thing I want to do is fill my eyebrows. If you guys have not already seen my eyebrow tutorial, I will link it up here. I think it's going to be on that side. I'm going to link it up here. But today I'm going to do my eyebrows slightly different. This is a different way to do my eyebrows. And I actually used to use a pencil years ago, and it was like a eyebrow pencil was my ride or die. So recently a brand called Call Me On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Defier, recently they reached out to me and asked me to do kind of like a review on their new product. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to try this out today. They actually claim that the tip never has to be sharpened. And I did notice when I took it out of the packaging and opened it up, the point is really sharp. Now I can't attest to if it ever has to be sharpened or not, because this is going to be my first time using it. But it does look really, really sharp. And on the other end, it has a spoolie. So that is convenient. So you got your pencil and your spoolie, and I got this in the shade Cocoa Coffee. They had 3 shades, I believe. It was a more blonder shade, a lighter brown, and this is the darkest of the shades. So I just went ahead and went with this one. So I'm gonna show you guys how I would do my eyebrows with a pencil, and at the same time review this new product. So kind of excited. I love me some eyebrows, y'all. So we'll see. Let's see if this can top my pomade, because I'm used to using pomade. I've been using pomade for the last year or so. So let's see if this can be a good backup of my pomade. Looking a little dark, honey, but we're gonna see. We're gonna work with it. Maybe I'm being too heavy-handed. I haven't used a pencil in so long, but we're gonna see. We're gonna just keep on going. Move my mirror to the other side. Y'all, quite honestly, I don't know why I thought it was okay to get the darkest shade they had. I guess I underestimated the power of this Cocoa Coffee, because it's almost black. But anyway, we're gonna rock with it. I'm trying to give you guys a true tutorial. It might be a little bit too dark for me, honey, but we're gonna roll with it. Just like I do the pomade, I just like to kind of blend it into my eyebrow. I don't like to add a whole bunch of product. I just want to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna use this spoolie provided. And you know what? I don't think it looks all that bad, because it blends in really well. Like I thought it was gonna like kind of stick, but it doesn't. It moves. I also think if I would have went in with a little lighter hand, it may not have looked so harsh in the first place. But we're gonna blend it out with a spoolie, because so far I think I'm liking it. Okay guys, I'm really kind of liking it. I'm not mad at it. I just need to do my concealer now. But you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that this eyebrow pencil would be really good in combination with the pomade to make those hair-like strokes, because I did that, and because the point is so small, it's like actually perfect to make hair-like strokes. So I think I might be adding this to my routine. I'm going to use my concealer, go ahead and carve out my eyebrows, and once again, if you guys don't know how I do that, I'm going to link that video somewhere up there in the cards. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the finished product using the Call Me On Point Pro Micro Tip Brow Defier, and I must say I like it. It's a little darker than what I am normally used to. It's kind of my fault. I got a shade too dark, so next time I will order a shade lighter. But I do like it. I mean, my eyebrows are shaped really nicely. I really think that the tip on there really made it easy for me to get in there and shape my eyebrows the way I wanted. And I went ahead and concealed them the way I normally do. So I like them. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me narrow my eyebrows, pluck them and cut them and do all that good stuff, all that extraness I did. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share the video. And also, if you have not already done so, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I really want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. You have joined the family, and we're so happy to have you. And thank you for watching, and thank you for clicking that subscribe button too. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.